From the old days.
It's just brief outline what we've done here. So we've got yaesu, win4yaesu suite, which is controlling the 991. Obviously you can see I'm moving this on here. At the same time it's moving on here, and obviously vice versa. At the same time we've linked it to SDR sharp. So here I am moving the yaesu, and you can see both are moving. And of course we could put something on SDR sharp, a beacon perhaps, and it's obviously moved its own program. It's moved yaesu suite, and of course it's moved the radio. And we have the radio turned down, we don't use it. And then basically just to unlink, if I wanted to unlink them, I can just undo these two tick boxes here, and then we've basically got two radios working completely independently, so we can have one on VHF, one HF or whatever. But obviously this allows the yaesu to have a form of pan adapter. I know lots of people use the SDR play and all those. I found HF Discovery to be better than any of the SDR plays. So yeah, whatever I want to do on here, this is now a pan adapter for it. And we should have VHF. We go through the frequencies.
With Mike. Thank you. Have you given him the high speed until begin area? Yes, that's the fun. Full set right off, situation not for more than 5 degrees before time. 080 knots or more, right turn 5 degrees, heading 320 speed first. Thank you.
Put some squelch up. We're not using any amplifiers, by the way, even on HF. We just seem to be using, turning everything off, and everything seems to be fine. But it is good because we can just control everything. We've got our frequencies here, and we can just use SDR sharp. Now, as far as testing one compared to the other, I've not really found anything much better than the airspy Discovery over the years. Tried ICOM, we're talking VHF here for a minute, VHF airband of course. Tried ICOM 705 and it wasn't as good, quite as good as the airspy for sensitivity, and certainly the DSP wasn't any good at all really for what we wanted. Since we had to have, as we know, the RF gain and that full up. The 991 is much better than the 705. It's more sensitive. It's as sensitive, if not a bit more, than the airspy Discovery, which is, I thought it would be about the same. I was hoping it would be at least the same, but it is actually a very slight bit better, and that's on HF as well. Just seems to be clearer. I seem to get just a bit better signal in, lower noise floor as well. I've compared both together on the same frequency, same antenna, as you can see, because as you know, we've got the splitters. You've seen that in the last video. Same cablings, everything is the same. So yeah, I'm impressed with the 991. It is slightly better than the airspy, without a doubt. Every test I've done on every frequency, it comes back better. So that's basically where we're at. As far as, and obviously I remote all this from home as well. If we think about decoding, think what I've got here. So I'm still using JVCom, which I find not a problem. And that works the same as well, as you can see. All the decoders work fine. And the sound is coming from, because it is a slightly better radio, the sound is actually coming from the yaesu all the time into the decoders, and obviously this is being used as a pan adapter, if you like it, that way round. So we have HFA cars here. It's all working fine, as you can see. DSC seems to be working fine. FT8 seems to be alright. VHF-A cars there running away. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the yaesu as a receiver. Really good on the airband, good on long wave for the beacons and everything that I want. Much better than the 705 for what I need anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching.